To use the TSB Bank Loan Calculator, start by visiting the TSB Bank website and navigating to the Loan section. Here, you will find the Loan Calculator tool, which is designed to help you determine how much you can borrow and what your monthly repayments will be. First, you will need to enter the amount you wish to borrow. This can be done by typing in the loan amount or by using the slider to select the desired amount. The loan calculator will then ask for the loan term, which is the length of time you have to repay the loan. This can range from 1 to 7 years, depending on the type of loan you are applying for. Next, you will need to enter your monthly income and expenses. This information is used to determine how much you can afford to repay each month. The loan calculator will then use this information to calculate your monthly repayments and the total amount you will repay over the life of the loan. It is essential to note that the loan calculator is only an estimate, and the actual loan amount and monthly repayments may vary depending on your individual circumstances. To get an accurate quote, you will need to apply for a loan and provide more detailed financial information. When using the loan calculator, it is crucial to consider all the costs associated with the loan, including interest rates and fees. You should also think about your long-term financial goals and whether taking out a loan is the right decision for you. To get the most out of the loan calculator, make sure to have all the necessary information ready, including your income, expenses, and credit history. You should also take the time to review the terms and conditions of the loan and understand the repayment schedule. By following these steps and using the TSB Bank Loan Calculator effectively, you can make informed decisions about your finances and find the right loan for your needs. Remember to always review and compare different loan options before making a decision. And consider seeking advice from a financial advisor if you are unsure about any aspect of the loan application process.